Hello, this is Retro Marky. Now this is kind of part 1.5, it's not part 2 of the breadboard computer build following Ben Eater, but kind of a side project. So here I've got a 6502 and over here I'm going to have a Z80 just for the experience and probably make a video because the pinouts are different and yeah, I thought it would be interesting. So what I've done actually in this case is use my clock as a clock for the 6502. Now I know there are 6502s with built-in clocks which would make all of that unnecessary, but I wanted to do it this way. So if we quickly power on using our Arduino as a source, there we go. What you should see here is a bunch of flashing 8 LEDs, and these are basically connected to 8 of the address lines on the left side of the chip, which is pin 9, 10, 11, etc. And on this side what I've done is put a NOP, which is an assembly language opcode for no operation, and what that does is it means the CPU will just go through the program counter up to 254 I think it is. To wire it up I've got a ground coming off pin 1, a reset on pin 40 connected to a switch down there. I've got the clock in going from the output pin on the 555 timer going to the pin 37, which is the clock in on the 6502, and then these resistors here are pulling ones and zeros, going to positive 5 volts or negative 0 volts, and the resistors obviously are helping to prevent the signal from being too harsh. And these 8 resistors are representing 8 bits, which makes a byte. That byte for the NOP is EA in hex, 234 in decimal, and in machine code pure it's 11101010. So those are representing the ones and zeros that I just mentioned in binary, and that's an instruction going to the CPU, and that's the resulting data output. And what else have we got? So just for the record, I've had to pull high the ready pin as well, the interrupt and non-maskable interrupt, and then a voltage VCC 5 volts is going in there, and these orange cables here are the address lines. And that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to do a quick update. Like I said, I'm going to do the Z80, and of course I'm going to also use this clock for the actual huge big project as well. These two are just kind of like a part of the journey, but not a direct part of the journey. And that's about it for this video, so thanks for watching. Just time to say, Retro Marky out.